1 cup will tell your kidneys to never give up. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a crucial topic: our kidneys. These powerful chemical factories perform numerous vital functions to keep our organs, tissues, and glands healthy. The kidney's primary job is to filter the blood and eliminate toxins, but they do so much more. They produce an active form of vitamin D, promoting strong and healthy bones, control the production of red blood cells, release hormones to regulate blood pressure, and ensure all other organs function optimally. However, one of the biggest challenges our kidneys face is dehydration. You might not think you're not getting enough fluids, but dehydration can lead to various conditions like urinary tract infections, UTIs, and kidney stones. Unfortunately, the symptoms of kidney disease usually appear in later stages, making it essential to manage your kidney health proactively. Kidney health is intricately linked to many other health problems such as diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, smoking, and alcohol consumption. These factors can significantly impact your kidneys' health and overall well-being. A poor diet, high in sugars and processed foods, can cause inflammation and harm your kidneys. Therefore, it's crucial to consume fresh fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants to keep your body's cells healthy. Even if you're not adding salt to your food, hidden sodium in frozen, packaged, or canned foods can be a problem. Consuming more than 2,000 to 2,500 milligrams of sodium a day forces your kidneys to work harder. Just as fish need water to survive, our kidneys need water to flush out toxins. Without adequate hydration, toxins can build up and eventually damage the kidneys. Now, let's discuss a simple yet effective elixir to support your kidney health. This mixture includes apple cider vinegar, cranberry juice, lemon, and honey, each with unique properties that benefit the kidneys. Apple cider vinegar helps reduce pain and inflammation from kidney stones, eliminates toxins and excess minerals that can lead to kidney stones, prevents oxidative stress in the kidneys, balances sugar levels and reduces blood pressure. Creating optimal conditions for kidney health, contains citric acid, which helps dissolve kidney stones. Cranberry juice prevents urinary tract infections, stops E. coli bacteria from causing UTIs, packed with antioxidant compounds called proanthocyanidins that prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract. Lemon cleanses both the liver and kidneys by flushing out toxins. Prevents kidney stones with its high vitamin C content and acidity, rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects the kidneys from inflammation and free radicals. Honey has antibacterial, antiviral, and antimicrobial properties, improves renal function by increasing urine output and creatinine clearance, increases urinary nitric oxide and decreases urinary prostaglandins. Recipe for the kidney detox elixir: 1 large cup, half filled with water, half a cup of unsweetened cranberry juice, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, juice from half a lemon or lime, to your preference, 1 to 2 teaspoons of natural raw honey, or a natural sweetener if you cannot use honey. Mix all the ingredients together in the cup, stir well. Drink this mixture first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for the best detoxifying effect. You can also have another glass later in the day, preferably on an empty stomach. Additional tips for kidney health: drink plenty of water, get regular exercise, ensure adequate sleep. Keep stress levels to a minimum. Please share this video with your friends and family, and leave your comments below. There will be many insights and questions, and your feedback is invaluable.